Hi guys, welcome back to 10th episode of StuCred Premier League.
We'll talk anything and everything about IPL here. Today we are going to talk about Sunrisers Hyderabad. What do you think about SRH batting? How much would you rate it?
For SRH batting, I'll give 8.5. They have very good batters, but they don't have proper finishers.
I'll give an 8. The thing with SRH is the top 5 is probably the strongest on the entire IPL team. But after that, I think if there's a chance that they'll crumble, then I don't think SRH can be saved. What do you think about their bowling?
For their bowling, I'll give 7.5. Oh, they have very less good bowlers.
I'll give an 8. I think they have like proper 4 bowlers, but for the 5th bowler, I think they might struggle. Who do you think the top 3 performers will be?
So for me, Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan, and then Klasen.
For me, it's Ishan Kishan, Abhishek Sharma, and NKR, Nitish Kumar Reddy. Where do you think they'll be on the table?
Third or fourth.
Okay, for me, I think they'll be 5th. I think the thing is, they'll probably win matches by the explosive team that they have, but I think they'll fall short. I think they'll finish 5th. That's it. Thank you for watching. Where do you think SRH will be on the table? Comment down below. Bye.
No matches on screen. Watch it live on Stadium. Join a contest and get your free tickets. Bye.
Bye bye.